Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer airtime from one MTN to another MTN line. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your dialer. Next thing you need to do is to dial *321# and hit on send on your MTN line. Next thing you need to do is click on here and enter one. Then click on send. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and enter one. Then click on send. Enter the receiver phone number right here. Having entered the receiver number, next thing you need to do is to click on send. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Then hit on send. Enter your PIN. Hit on send. Then you will receive a message like this. Yellow, you have gifted 200 naira to this number. So what you need to do is to simply hit on OK right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your MTN line, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.